Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back to LaMeel TV. This is all about alignment, money, and manifesting, and this is our Alignment Boss Transformation Series, Day 2. And so while my girls are off in the store, I figured this would be a good time to talk about your morning routine, right? So when you are manifesting and you're working at keeping a high vibration, your morning routine is everything because it sets the stage. It sets the stage for what your day is going to be like. It sets the stage for, it creates the set point for your vibration for the day, and it allows for you to really send out into the universe what your intentions are for the day and get those things started before you even get out. So I'm gonna run through what I do in the morning. And so right now it's not quite 8 a.m. right now, but when I wake up, right, I lay in the bed and I smile and I stretch, right? Because even if things are not exactly the way that I want them to be, I woke up, okay? So I'm smiling and I'm stretching because I need to get the energy flowing in my body again. I always have water, and you may often see me drinking out of a glass water bottle that has crystals in the bottom. So I always have a crystal charged water at my bedside. And for my water in the morning, I always put a little bit of fresh lemon in it. So I drink some water, I stretch, I smile. I have a playlist that is private right now, but I will make it public on LaMeel TV. It's called Reprogramming. And so the very first video is one by Abraham, and it's called Everything Always Works Out for Me. So I listen to that before I get up. I often will get on my chi machine, right? I set the timer for 15 minutes, and it's a machine that really just shakes the body, and I'll do a separate video on that. By then, my audio for Everything Always Works Out for Me is over, and then it goes into a bunch of I am videos, which are for subconscious programming. And I listen to that while I'm moving around, getting my stuff ready. I will sit down, I meditate for 15 minutes, and then my next set of alarms will start going off so I can wake the kids up and I can do all of those things. But by then, I really feel good, right? I've energized and oxygenated my body with the chi machine. I do often jump on the trampoline because it gets it cleanses your lymph system, right? And so it's cleansing and it's energizing. It's very low impact. You don't even have to have your feet come off. And when I say trampoline, it's the mini trampolines. They're actually called rebounders. And so it's a no impact mini workout that gets everything moving and flowing, and it gets my system cleansing, and I finish my lemon water. And then whatever else I need to do for the day, that's what I'm doing. My granddaughter is like demanding some attention over there. But that's how I start my day, right? And then depending on where my vibration is, once I get in the car and get things moving, and sometimes of course I'm not jumping up every morning, I will transfer my subconscious programming audio to the TV in the room where I am. So, and if I'm home alone, every TV in the house will be turned on, and they will all have the programming playlist running very lowly. And it has these amazing images of wealth and of lifestyle that I'm trying to cultivate and conjure for myself. If it's not quite what you want, you can find videos. Shh. search, you can find videos that reflect what it is that you're trying to do. But that way, no matter where I'm going, no matter what I'm doing, my subconscious 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is being programmed. I also, you're gonna lock me out of that phone. Give it here. I also listen to it at night, right, as I go to sleep, so that I can really, here you go, I can really get the results that I'm looking for. Darling, it's okay, it's okay. Can you go back there and talk to her, give her her bottle, that I'm looking for. Anyway, if I'm jumping in the car, right, and I'm headed out somewhere like today, I have a music playlist that is just really, really like motivational, makes me want to shake my ass kind of music, because that keeps me at the high vibe. Now, for some of you, the lyrics, and for all of us really, the lyrics, you know, will play a huge part. But if you're just starting to change and elevate, I would pick music that only has really good, positive lyrics. However, if you are very familiar and you've been working with a law of attraction, you want music that simply makes you feel good. It doesn't really matter what it says, it just needs to make you feel good. And so there you have it, right? I start my day, and literally all of that I do, I've got 15 minutes of meditation. I'm 5 minutes on the trampoline. It takes me probably like 5 or 10 minutes to do my morning stretches. I do them in the bed. I just pull the blankets back and stand up and do all of my morning yoga routine, basically is what it is, right in the bed. So maybe 20 or 30 minutes before everybody wakes up, and then I'm ready to go. So start working on your morning manifesting routine. Okay, 15-20 minutes is all you really need, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you like the content and you are participating in the transformation, Alignment Boss Transformation program, you know, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. You can also click on the link and check out what the Alignment Lifestyle Transformation Coaching Program is all about. I would love to have you join us. Right now we've got a really great sale going on with a couple of bonuses, which I'll be telling you about tomorrow. But if you have questions about developing your morning manifesting routine, please ask them down below. I read and answer all the comments. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.